So I'm in a really cool forested area where all these trees are like half up out of the ground and their roots are holding the dirt in place so that I can safely walk, creating almost like steps of sorts. And then look at this tree. How amazing. It is straddling a giant rock. And it's just, look at that bark too. Whoa. Looks like some kind of birch, I guess. Oh, and the leaves are changing. How beautiful. Look at it though. It's like an octopus grabbed a pearl and just decided this is where I live. I live on this rock. Oh, hello. Looks like some people have written on it. Just an amazing tree.